In this video, we explore Atman, the eternal soul, and Moksha, liberation, as taught in the Bhagavad Gita, showing how understanding our true nature can free us from suffering. We'll define these concepts, examine Krishna's guidance, practice, and offer personal growth strategies, all illustrated with contemporary examples. Have you ever felt a restless longing for something beyond fleeting pleasures? Welcome to Gita Guides, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, Bhagavad Gita's teachings on the Atman, our eternal soul, and liberation can transform your life. Atman is described in the Gita as the eternal, indestructible essence that animates every living being. It is neither born nor does it ever die and survives every bodily change. Krishna tells Arjuna that the soul is enthroned in the etheric heart and depends on the divine for its consciousness. Unlike the body and mind, which are subject to birth and death, Atman is Sat, absolute existence, and exists eternally through the past, present, and future. Moksha means liberation from samsara, the cycle of birth and death. It is described as the state where the soul is freed from all miseries arising from material contact. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, verses 20 to 23, Krishna explains that one who rejoices in the self alone, seeing no greater gain, achieves true freedom from suffering. Modern interpretations emphasize that moksha isn't a distant myth, but an attainable reality, a complete 100% truth that all sincere seekers can realize in time. Krishna's core message is that knowledge of Atman leads to liberation. He introduces Kriya Yoga, the supreme spiritual science of meditation, as the vehicle for God union and realization of the eternal self. In chapter 6, Dhyana Yoga, Krishna instructs us to practice one-pointedness, controlling body and mind, withdrawing senses, and focusing inward without attachment. He likens a disciplined meditator's mind to a calm lake, steady even when the winds of desire and fear blow across its surface. Find your seat, asana, in a quiet place with your back straight, body and mind controlled, free from desires for material gain. Breath awareness. Observe the natural flow of the breath to anchor the mind in the present moment. Mantra or verse. Silently repeat a sacred Gita verse, such as I am Brahman, to align consciousness with the eternal self. Witnessing practice being the impartial observer of thoughts and emotions, recognizing them as passing events in the field of consciousness. Self-inquiry journaling reflects with questions like, who am I beyond my roles? To disidentify from ego, practice daily satsanga. Spend time with spiritually like-minded peers or texts to reinforce awareness of the Atman and act in the world with detachment from outcomes. Karma Yoga's core to purify motives and strengthen equanimity. Gratitude and detachment exercises consciously appreciate each moment's gift without clinging, mirroring the soul's detached witness. A tech entrepreneur who integrates silent morning meditation finds clearer decision-making under pressure, improving both innovation and employee well-being. A healthcare team practicing brief mindfulness breaks reduces burnout and enhances patient care, illustrating how self-realization benefits society. A teacher who sees each classroom challenge as an opportunity for inner growth fosters resilience and deeper student engagement. The journey from understanding Atman to attaining moksha is both transformative and accessible. By combining meditation, selfless service, and inner inquiry, any seeker can dissolve ignorance and realize the eternal self. As Krishna promises, he who knows the self and thus knows him, conquers death and never again is subject to it. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 16. If you found these insights helpful, please like and subscribe to Gita Guides. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Let's support each other on the path to self-realization and moksha. Until next time, may your journey be illuminated by the eternal light within you.